The impact of COVID-19 led to a great increase in the on-demand healthcare industry. According to a report by Rock Health, funding for on-demand healthcare services has steadily increased, amounting to $692 million since 2011. Likewise, the demand for healthcare professionals like nurses and caretakers has witnessed a huge spike. ICN estimates up to 13 million of nurses will be needed to fill the global nurse shortage gap in the future, and same is the case for caretaking professionals. On top of that, online platforms like Doctor on Demand, Practo, Mayo Clinic, etc. who offer on-demand nurse and caretaker services increased their revenues by multiple times. Thus, if you are a budding entrepreneur who's looking for a profitable investment opportunity, now is the best time to launch your own on-demand nurse app like Uber. Get a complete Uber for nurses like technology solution to bridge the gap between the patients and nurses now.